Hey everyone, I am here today to review the September and October 2021 God's Glory box. I review these usually every single month, and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what's in each box. So this is the September one that I am unboxing right now, and this is a shirt. And it says, let's see here, God is love, John 4:8. And then inside we've got the shareable monthly devotional planners, and it tells you how to be able to get it. And then on the back side you always have coloring pages. And then you've got some stickers. These are big stickers. This is what tells you what is in the actual September box. And then the last thing is a little bracelet with a cross on it, and that was the September box. So I love the little shirts. They're really comfy. I think they're always like 100% cotton, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, they're always 100% cotton, or like, let's see here. Okay, so 90% cotton and 10% polyester, I'm sorry. But they're very, very comfortable. I always use these as like PJ shirts. So here is the October one. This one, I don't believe it had a shirt in it. So this is what it tells you is in the October box. So yeah, we don't actually have a shirt in this one. We do have some really cool stickers again. These are really neat stickers. You've got the shareable monthly devotional, like usual. And then back here you actually have like little puzzles. These are kind of cute. I like that a little bit better than the coloring pages. I like puzzles better than coloring personally. And then we've got some sunglasses. And I believe, yeah, they have a fish design on the side. So that's cute. And then, let's see here. We have a devotional down here. I think this is the last thing in the box. Living beautiful brokenness. Living beyond brokenness, I'm sorry. Broken crayon still colored devotional. That's cute. Okay. So that's really cool. So again, these are the boxes for God's Glory box. If you guys are interested in them, they help promote small Christian artists, and they donate 100,000 meals per year to feedingamerica.com. So I hope you guys check them out, and again, they are godsglorybox.com.